Come gather round, Miss Martha's got a story. Can't wait to hear where it all might take us this time. Everyone knows that treasure lies inside these pages. We wanna be
hanging out with stories.
Everybody wants to be there when Miss Martha reads.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Miss Martha Reads Story Time. I'm Miss Martha, and I'm so excited that you are joining me today for another wonderful story. But before I get started, I have to ask you something. Do you sometimes feel different from everyone else? Well, in today's story, we're going to hear all about a little bird who was different from all the other birds. And the title of today's story is The Odd Bird. It was written by Ava Shubert from Bucks Road Primary School in Chesapeake, Virginia. Ava is also the author and the illustrator of this story. Let's put on our good listening ears. Click, click, so that we can hear all about this story.
Hi, my name is Ava Shubert. My book is called The Odd Bird. Once there was an odd bird. His name was Nico. He was a super nice bird. One day, Nico played with Caterpillar. Caterpillar was his only friend. Nico thought for a second, why do birds think I'm odd? I don't know, but you are a great friend. You're not odd, you are unique. Thanks for saying that, Caterpillar. You made me feel good. So Nico went on his way. He saw Chelsea and Belle again. They laughed at him, but he just kept on going. Look at his beak. Haha, your beak is so weird. Then Nico froze. Why are you laughing? We are all different and we are all special in many different ways, Nico said. Then Nico said, I am a spoonbill. I just have a different beak. My beak is in a spoon shape so I can catch little fish. Your beak is so small and pointy so you can grab insects and berries. And you are very nice bluebirds. So you are both special and me too. So Caterpillar, Nico, Belle, and Chelsea decided to be friends. Thank you for reading with me.
Oh, what an inspiring story. I agree with Caterpillar when he told Nico that if we're different, that doesn't mean that we're odd. We are unique. Everyone is unique and different in their own way. We're special in our own way. So we shouldn't feel like we're odd. We are unique. Thank you so much, Ava, for sharing such a wonderful story. Now let's see if we're going to have a visitor today. Ooh, I think I hear someone. Who do you think is going to be? Okay, let's see. Oh, look, it's Nico. Hi, Nico. Can you say hi to Nico? Nico, thank you so much for stopping by. And I want you to remember that you are not odd, but you are unique. And I kind of like your bill. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us, okay? Well, you take care, Nico, and I'll see you the next time, okay? Well, what a surprise. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. But before I go, I always have to remind you to practice, practice, practice your reading every single day to exercise your brain, because I want you to be the best reader that you can be. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope that I'll see you the next time. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye.